Cool. Hey guys, it's Wayne here with Full Sail. I want to just run over the spring maintenance and cleaning Facebook ads campaign that we're about to run. I'm gonna go through it real quick. If it gets confusing or I lose you guys, please ask questions. I'll shoot another one of these for whatever piece of the puzzle you want to hear more about, because it definitely gets a little complex. But let's go ahead and just hop into it. Cool. There's sort of two puzzle pieces here that we're looking at. One is this spring maintenance retargeting. These are people who've already been on the website. They're already aware of all of the spring maintenance services. They just haven't scheduled anything yet, okay? So that's literally how it's set up. It's targeting people who specifically have been to the website but have not scheduled, okay? So when we go in here, so this is exactly what I was talking about. We have these people who have seen everything, they're aware of it, but they have not scheduled. So we're just going to go ahead right from the beginning, just simply try and get them to schedule, okay? We show them some nice pictures, basically exactly what spring cleaning is, and we're going to ask them to schedule. And this directs them back to that cleaning page so they can learn a little bit more and schedule right off of that, okay? These ones that you see over here on the left side, they're simply other ads. They're other pictures with a little bit different text. You sort of want to start out with a couple different options when you start running a Facebook ads campaign. And then as the days and the weeks go on, we're going to be able to see which of these are performing the very best. And then we're going to turn off all of the other ones, okay? So you're going to see that as a reoccurring theme when I go through this. So that's step one. That's kind of trying to get the low-hanging fruit, right? You can kind of think about it that way. So basically after that first trying to get the low-hanging fruit, and we're sending them to a specific landing page to learn about spring maintenance and schedule. If they don't bite off of that, say they just go to the page, but they don't actually schedule, that's what this next step is for. So these are all people who have specifically now been to the landing page. So we know that they're a little bit more interested, but yet they still haven't booked for some reason or another. So now we're going to start sending them some testimonials and some nice pictures, okay, of ponds that we've already cleaned and just nice ponds as well. Once again, we're testing the waters here to start out with. So we have a nice testimonial specifically about pond maintenance and cleaning, and asking them to come book now. Next, same type of deal, showing them a before after. We're hitting them with something that's trying to push a little bit of urgency here, because they've seen it the first place, they've already interacted with some of our ads, and they've gone to our next landing page. They still haven't booked, so pushing a little bit of urgency for them to book. And then we have a really nice video testimonial as well. Now, if you guys get some more content here as the weeks progress, as you clean some more ponds, then I think we should definitely look into putting up another video like this, because videos are just responding a lot better with Facebook these days. So great. So that's sort of puzzle piece number one, okay? That is this first campaign right here, the retargeting. Like I said, so it is starting with people who've already seen your website, they've interacted with the spring maintenance and cleaning. Then we're immediately trying to hit them with the low-hanging fruit ads, just asking them to schedule. People who click on that and they don't schedule, we're going to go ahead and send them more testimonials and reviews to try and help them trust us a little bit more. That way they go through and schedule it. Okay. Now, the other piece of this puzzle is trying to get more new customers, people who aren't even necessarily aware of your company yet, or they haven't been to those pages, okay? So we need to take a step back, and that's what this brand awareness campaign is right here. So we're starting out with an audience that is very, very similar to the people who have already interacted with you. Facebook sort of does that for you. So this won't load right now. I think it's because I'm doing the screen share. So I was going to show you the audience, but that's fine. It's little complicated anyways. Sorry. So basically, like I said, so it's finding the people who are the most similar to the people who have already been on those spring maintenance pages. But we need to start out by giving them a little bit of value, okay? So we're immediately sending them a few videos, okay? So we have a how to clean your pond at home video. Great. Once again, we're testing a couple different types of text here. So as it goes on, we'll turn those on and off. And then here is the second video. It's another different pond cleaning video, how to spring pond cleaning. And then lastly, we have this really nice cleaning guide as one of our blog posts. So once again, we're just giving complete value here. We're not asking for anything at all in return. We're just trying to build that trust, trying to get them to know us. Okay? Now, once they have been to these pages, now they're automatically going to get pushed into our other funnel of ads, to the ads where they know they've already been to these different web pages. Okay? And then just the very last piece of puzzles, the people who have watched those videos that I just showed you here, but they didn't actually click because it's the website actually that's causing people to come to our next piece of the puzzle or the next step in the ads. This is actually a way that you can retarget people who have just watched the videos. For some reason, it's telling me that this is invalid right now, but I know it's not. So either way, I'll fix this real fast. So cool. See, so there we go. There, it's back in there. So great. So once again, it's the people who have viewed that, and we're making sure to exclude the people who have seen those web pages because now they're seeing the next set of ads, and then we're also excluding the people who have already submitted the contact form because we don't want to bother any of your current customers. So great. That is basically it. Like I said, if that was too quick, if it was too confusing, please ask questions. Any part of it, I will definitely redo, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks. Bye.